was a day, if you are running or doing anything like that, to be outside to stay in shape.
It was nice and warm today, but it was not so humid today. Right. So lots of folks enjoying that. I think just about everybody, I shouldn't say everybody, but a lot of folks mowed their lawn today, and rightly so. With weather like this, good weather for doing that. And now it looks like some showers here pushing in from the west. Most of us, including the metro, no immediate threat there. But you can see around the Norfolk area, we do have some showers building in. Let's zoom in. These are not severe. We'll start by saying that. And you can see now areas west of Norfolk with some showers pushing in. So it looks like we'll have some raindrops in western Siouxland. As we zoom out a little bit here, you can see there's lots more rain coming along the Interstate 80 corridor. And as that pushes east, it's going to miss us and weaken at the same time. So I'm not really looking for a big threat of rain overnight tonight, but we can't rule out a chance. Here is the Port Neal Welding Company Skycam HD in downtown Sioux City, where we can see dry, quiet weather. And as we look at the almanac today, we had a high of 80 with low humidity, just about perfect for June. 53, our low temperature last night. The pollen levels today overall medium. Not too bad at all. 71 is our temperature in Sioux City with the dew point at a comfortable 57 and a south-southeast wind at 6. As we look at the temperatures area-wide, middle 60s to lower 70s, and that includes eastern Siouxland as well, where we still have 70 in Spencer. Let's zoom out here to our temperature map across the upper Midwest. What stands out is a strong front here stretching from Rapid City to Sioux Falls to Minneapolis. That is an offshoot of low pressure here in south central South Dakota. It's a warm front separating these 70s from 56 in Aberdeen, and that's been driving some showers to our north here this evening. And then this next system pushing in from the west in central Nebraska. As you can see here by the motion of this activity, it looks like a lot of that is going to miss Siouxland. Look at the tropical storm here, Tropical Storm Bill making landfall in Texas with heavy rain. The main threat there, flash flood watches all the way into Illinois with that system, and also some tornado watches that are still in effect. We'll show you those here. First of all, for the landfalling system there in Texas, but also there is officially still a tornado watch in western and central Nebraska in the Orange counties until midnight, so just a little bit longer. No watches here for Siouxland. Back home we go here for the Stormcast HD, where you can see that we will have some of that activity to the west try to push east overnight. Some of it could move into the metro late tonight, early tomorrow morning with some showers. Not looking for anything terribly strong, though. The low pressure pushes east tomorrow. A chance of some widely scattered showers. Most of the day will be dry and partly cloudy skies. And then as we head into our Thursday, looks like dry weather returns to Siouxland for Thursday and probably into Friday as well. Now, some of the computer models are hinting at a sprinkle here on Friday. I don't think this is going to amount to much locally. You'll have to go north of Interstate 90 for any measurable rain on Friday. We'll show you the rain forecast, though, here for the next 24 hours or so. And widely variable amounts, about 1/10 of an inch or so for Sioux City, but Spencer could see 3/4 of an inch. And there might be some higher totals east of there. Your forecast for tonight, 59 with a slight chance of showers or thunderstorms. That chance carries over into tomorrow with a high of 83. Here is your 7-day forecast. We'll keep Thursday and Friday dry for now with highs in the 80s. 92, Allison, on Saturday, and that hot air will be combined with some high humidity as well. Lots of moisture. A morning low of just 70, so a sticky day there, and scattered showers and storms Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, but nothing higher than a 30% chance. A year ago, why did the Pilger tornado move quickly, but the Coleridge tornado that happened the next day, remember, that was the tornado that didn't want to move? Well, the answer lies in the upper-level winds. Storms move with upper-level flow, including tornadic storms. And here's a look at the upper-level winds here right now. You can see that we have a westerly flow generally. The faster winds are in the white and blue shaded areas that will stay to our north. So you really look for those fast wind speeds to move a storm along. And it just depends where those winds set up. It is pretty obvious that that Coleridge tornado didn't have much upper-level wind to move it along. Kathy Brummels from Coleridge, Nebraska is our winner tonight via email of a Tiefenthaler Quality Meats $25 gift card.
Well, I think that was an awesome question because that was such a crazy week of weather 1 year ago. And it was something you guys in the Weather Center worked so hard on, and it's just...
It was a long day for everybody.
It was a long day, followed by more long days.
Right.
But you guys did a great job, and